Hello all, welcome back to our licensed kitchen. Today's recipe is chicken dum biryani. Let us see how to make chicken dum biryani in a very simplest way. Firstly, I have taken the biryani rice which we are going to wash and soak it for about an hour. Now, in the meanwhile, let us marinate the chicken. I'm adding about 2 spoons of ginger garlic paste to this and adding about 4 spoons of coriander powder and 3 spoons of chili powder. You can adjust the taste of chili powder as per your need. And I'm adding 1 spoon of pepper powder and 4 spoons of garam masala. Finally, half a spoon of turmeric powder and salt for taste. Now let us marinate all this by adding little bit of curd to it. Let us mix this all ingredient together well. Along with the rice, let this chicken also marinate for about an hour's time so that biryani will taste very good. Let us mix them evenly. You can also refrigerate it for an hour. Before cooking, you can keep it out for about 15 minutes in case if you are keeping it in the refrigerator. Or you can leave it outside for an hour by the time you prepare the rest of the ingredients. Now it is mixed well. Let us keep it aside and prepare the next ingredients. Now the rice is soaked well. Let us cook the rice first. The rice has to be cooked only half. You will have to cook the rice only half. For that I have taken water. I have taken 4 glasses of rice, so I have taken about 6 glasses of water for it. So let us add 1 spoon of oil to it, and I am adding 1 big cinnamon and bay leaf. Wait till the water boils, then you can add the rice to the water, and also I am adding a little bit of salt. You will have to give some time for the water to boil. When the water starts boiling, add the drained rice to the water. Now you can see the water started to boil. Let us add the soaked rice to this and cook it about 50%. That is, don't cook the rice completely. Just cook the rice until it's done half. Let us stir it well and cook it until it's done half. Now I have placed a kadai. Let us add about 8 to 10 spoons of oil. I have added about 8 to 10 spoons of oil. Let me add elaichi to it. I have just slit open and I have added it. Then I am going to add few bay leaf and few cloves. Give some time for it to splatter. Now let us add the chopped onions to the oil. I have taken about 3 onions which is of medium size, which I have slit them, sliced them, and I am adding it. Let us fry the onion well until they turn soft. You can see the onion is fried well. At this stage, I am going to add 4 split green chilies. You can exclude this if you don't want the biryani to be too spicy. You can exclude adding this green chilies. Now let us add tomato to it and fry the tomato as well until they turn soft. Let the tomatoes cook half. Don't completely cook them. Let us fry them in this oil. Now the tomato has cooked well. Let us add the marinated chicken to this little by little. The chicken is also well marinated. Now I am adding the chicken to this oil and we are going to roast this well. Let us fry the chicken in this oil until the raw smell completely goes and the chicken becomes tender. Fry the chicken completely. Keep stirring it occasionally until they are cooked well and the raw smell of this masala completely goes. We'll have to fry them. So let us cover it and leave it for about 10 minutes for the chicken to become tender. Meanwhile, the chicken is boiling now. You can see the masala is fried well and the oil started to separate from the masala. The chicken is completely done. Now let us add some fresh mint leaf and coriander on top of it and cook this well. Mix it well. Now it is ready for the next step. You can see the rice is half done now. Let us start bedding them. Now I have taken a thick bottomed vessel. Let us add the chicken masala which we have prepared at the bottom first. Set them. And next step would be let us drain the rice which is half done and add in the biryani. For about one layer, let us add the rice and spread this a little bit. Now let us add another layer of the meat masala like this. Let us pour the gravy a bit like this, and I am going to add one layer of ghee to it. I am adding 1 spoon of ghee in between this, and again let us drain the rice and add another layer on top of this. Now I have put another layer of rice here. So finally let us add the remaining gravies on top of this. And I'm going to add another layer of ghee on top of this. Now we are going to cover this, cover a lid. I'm going to keep it in a dum for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now it is done well. Let us open the lid and you can see the rice and the chicken is done very well. Wow, it has come so nice and it smells too good. Now let us gently mix this and transfer it to the serving bowl. Now the chicken dum biryani is ready to serve. Hope you liked this video. Kindly like, subscribe and share your valuable comments below. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.